Hey everybody, today we're gonna start another video. I'm going back to a property that I repaired the lawn on, put a raised bed in out in our backyard, cleaned up the gardens in the front yard. I'm gonna start on that today. I just loaded the truck with some gravel. I already brought one load this morning, but I thought I'd do an opening to this video. When I get there, I'll put the camera back on and explain what we're gonna be doing. Something I'm gonna fit in just late in the season, but I ended up finding some trees that are going to work out good. This time of year in New Hampshire, most of the time when people sell out, they're sold out. They won't order. They'll order like small stuff, or they'll order a shipment if you need like a whole flatbed, 18-wheel load of stuff. But it's hard to get trees this time of year. But I found I only needed like 5 or 6 trees and 5 or 6 small shrubs to do what I got to do. And I won't lie to you, it'll be another thing that's not weighing on me in the spring. I'm already booked out pretty good in the spring. It's kind of a weird thing. I've been blessed this year. I've had work, like unbelievable amount of work. We're back on a job we did earlier this summer. We did this front yard, redid the gardens, redid the lawn, cleaned up all the gardens, and then we filled in this backyard. And I'm back here this fall doing phase 2, which is we're going to add on to this raised bed. I just thought I'd do a shot before we get started. I brought in a couple loads of gravel this morning. That corner's still got to come up to get out. They didn't even really fill up high enough to hide the black sealer on the foundation on that end. I want to make sure everything runs away from the house, but back here we're just going to be adding on to that raised bed to the right and left, getting rid of a couple of these dead trees. Other than that, everything back here is going to be stone and bark mulch. She doesn't want any more grass. I think it's going to be a pretty cool project. She just doesn't want any more grass. I don't blame her. I just want to show I got that fill knocked around in that low spot. We're going to extend this little raised bed to the left and the right. Plant a few more trees today. Coming back with a chainsaw after lunch. I just pushed those trees over with the tractor that were dead that she was worried about. But like I said, we're going to shape this and then we'll plug plant with the loom. And I'm just bringing what I have left over for the season, and I got I think 4 or 5 more trees I'm bringing. And pavers, she just wants to pave a walkway basically to start where this hot top ends, drop them into the stone and go over to the set of steps that's on that deck. We're going to go from there. Three down. We're back. I grabbed some bark mulch. We're going to do these raised beds. Then I'm going to smooth things up, and probably the next thing we'll do is bring stone in. I just want to get these bark mulched and we'll go from there. Pretty breezy today. I just thought I'd take a shot. Of course, I turned the camera on and it calms down, but it's crazy. The wind kind of died down a little bit, so I thought I'd take a shot. We're just putting this simple walkway in. Like I said, this bark mulch garden is going to be coming out further this way in the spring. Right now, this just finished off. I also filled in the rest of her property. She's happy with the way that is. They left a big hollow here when they did the house. All she wanted was something simple, so if she has to come out, check the propane tanks or something. We're going to bring some more stone in, bury around those. But I just thought I'd take a shot because the wind died down a little bit. I got 11 more of those pavers, so hopefully that will get us to this corner. But I got the stone in place. I got to widen that bark mulch. Basically, we plan on that garden's probably going to come out to where these pavers are. If we decide to go further next year, I'll probably bury those in a little bit better. But right now, we're just trying to get it wrapped up for the winter. The only thing I got left to do is I got to go walk out, and those trees I pushed over with the tractor, I'm going to cut up a little bit so they hit the ground. Probably this one that's hung up, just so it looks better when she looks out a window. Got done what she wanted to do for the season. I went out in the wood line, cut all those trees that were hung up in the bushes, and I believe we'll be back here next spring adding a little bit more to this. They just wanted stone down here. I don't blame her. A lot of people don't want to deal with the grass. The grass I put out front grows real good. Like too good as far as they're concerned. This gives her a little privacy screen as that grows. This job here was something I did work for earlier this summer, and she said if I had time to get back this fall. She chose not to do no more grass. She just doesn't want to maintain it. I don't blame her. I did grass out front for the first job I did for her, and it grows to the point where you almost have to mow it more than once a week. So she's happy it come out so nice, but she said I don't want no more. So we decided to put all stone in the backyard. Good idea. I mean, you never go wrong with 3/4 stone. It cleans up easy in the spring too. You just blow all the stuff off from it. That garden that I added on to is going to come forward too, and some of that stone's going to come out later on. The next phase I do here, if she chooses to have me come back, I believe we're going to be putting a lot more plantings back there, and we're going to make it look, that walkway is just going to be from pretty much, I think probably a foot away from that, it's going to be raised bed, and she'll put some more stuff in it. But anyways, we'll call this one here. Again, I'm going to say please like and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you got any questions or whatnot, get a hold of me through YouTube. I'd appreciate it. And other than that, thanks for watching.